Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taj Muhammad and I'm a student at Ryan School, Shahwat campus. So, best today I'm here with a new Tedx Talk review and title name is The Plus Azil of Motivation and speaker name is by Ben Pink. So, let's go start the Tedx review in English. The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Pink is an introduction and talk about what really motivates people. He explains that traditional rewards such as money and bonuses do not always improve performance, especially when a task requires creativity and problem solving, accounting, and to think people are more motivated when they have autonomy, mastery, and purpose. I found this idea very useful because it showed that people performs better when they feel identifiable and connected to a meaningful goal. Overall, I think that a pink talk gives us a new and practical way to understand motivation and education work and everyday life. So this was a new TEDx talk. So thank you and Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad, Ryan School Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.